Hello everyone. In this assignment we're going to work on a suitability analysis for our pollinator project. We're going to look at things that we don't necessarily have in great detail. For instance, we're going to look at both sides of those things that would be suitable and good and attractive for pollinators, as well as those things as we want to avoid. Now, one of the things we looked at in our assessment instrument, if you recall, is pesticide use. Now, we don't have pesticide use for all of Dane County. But what we do have, if you look through your raw data folder, and particularly the vector folder, we have land use data set. Now, we do know from experience, or at least from my experience, there are certain land uses that are heavily involved in pesticide use, particularly golf courses. So one variable that we are going to look at through the tutorial videos is how do we select out land uses that have potentially high pesticide use, so in this case golf courses. Other things that we'll look at is that we can do things like buffer creeks and lakes because we know that pollinators need access to water. So what you're going to do ultimately is you're going to work on a vector suitability analysis using multiple criteria, and then you're going to merge them together and have some sort of ranking system. Now, I recommend using 0, 1, 2, or 3, so no more than 4 categories. Some of them will only have maybe 2 or 3 categories, but as we go through the demo tutorial videos, you'll begin to understand how that is. So I encourage you, this is just an introductory video, but I encourage you to read through the brief lecture write-up, critically read through the assignment statement. I think it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm sure there will be questions. Feel free to email me. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And then also definitely watch and follow very closely in the tutorial videos. Now, I know we've been having some computer issues, so if the computer issues continue to arise, please don't hesitate to let me know. We'll try to get them resolved, or we'll adjust the assignment in some way. Now, if I am in and out of classroom, depending on when the baby comes this week or early next week, don't worry, I'll get back to you as soon as I can via email. I might have to do a couple of posts by video or something, and I'm going to have people kind of come into class and help out as well. Really just please be flexible, and we'll have an open dialogue via email and other means if necessary. Thanks, and good luck.